At a place where Balkan hills and fertile Pannonian plains collide, there is an area where agriculture is developed more intensely than in many other parts of Europe. On these beautiful sunny hills of Šumadija, on mountain slopes of Koponik, Tupisnica, Jastrabats, on hillsides near the deep waters of the Danube River, which runs towards the Black Sea, the finest sweet fruits and wine are produced. In tranquil parts of the Pannonian Plain, Srembačka and Banat, supreme quality cereals and oil crops are produced. Vegetables are especially tasty in the valleys of large rivers near the Morava and the Sava. In this very special place, a powerful industry has been established, which can supply farmers with everything they need in order to produce the best fruits, healthy and tasty. Chemical AGROSAVA is a modern, dynamic company with the most advanced pesticide production plant in southeastern Europe, which is the core of its business. 25 kilometers away from Belgrade, near Šimanovci, there is a complex of industrial plants on several tens of acres, which consists of chemical reactors, tanks, pipes, laboratories that can carry out almost every pesticide formulation in the world. We can mill any raw material to particle sizes of a few microns in pharmaceutical mills filled by zircon beads. We can perform any chemical reaction in tanks with controlled temperature and atmosphere. We are able to dissolve any corrosive, unstable, active ingredient and make a useful, stable formulation. We carry out SC, EC, WG, WP, SL, EW, OD and GR formulation. Our portfolio includes fungicides, insecticides, herbicides, zoocides. We have established a successful company with the world's largest multinationals, Chinese and Indian companies such as Bayer, BASF, Syngenta, DuPont, Dow AgroScience, Croda, United Phosphorus, Garda, Indofil, Zhejiang, Zhangjiang, etc. Starting from 2018, we have established the largest water dispersible granule production plant in southeastern Europe. Chemical AGROSAVA exports products to the European Union, Russia, the Maghreb region, Middle East, Turkey and to all neighbouring countries. Approximately 5,000 tonnes of pesticide is produced annually and packed into 1.25 grams to 1,000 litre packages. We are able to pack the product in aluminium foil, 3-layer or 4-layer HDPE packages according to all DIN standards, drums or tanks. If necessary, we use inert gases in packaging in order to guarantee unchanged quality of the product that reaches end users. On average, 10 million different pesticide packages come from the production plant in Šimanovci every year. All products are stored in air-conditioned warehouses with a €26,000 pallet capacity. Throughout the year, a constant 20 degrees C temperature is maintained in the warehouse, which is essential in order to preserve product quality. In addition, we have numerous warehouses throughout the Balkans. Our production has acquired all necessary certificates in order to be exported to any country in the world. Since 2005, we have been certified by DQS, German certification body. There is no certificate in our branch that we have not received for occupational safety, environmental protection and quality control. The important part of the company is the pesticide testing laboratory with the most advanced GC and HPLC devices. We are able to analyse and determine 1/1000th of a tested substance in solution. The laboratory controls input raw materials and final products. In a completely separate development laboratory, we are able to examine any new industrial process by simulating the behaviour of active substances, solvents and additives in mass production in a pilot plant. Pesticide production technology is what we know best. In addition, Chemical AGROSAVA engages in formulation of water-soluble fertilisers. 15 years ago, we initiated the plant breeding programme. Over 50 different corn hybrids have been registered within the company as hybridi. We were among the first companies in the world to start the selection of leafy corn hybrids suitable for silage and bioenergy production. Over 80,000 trials are conducted annually in order to make the best hybrid combinations. The selection programme of wheat, sunflower and other oil crops is in progress. We expect to have the first commercial varieties of hybrids on the market in 2020. In the state-of-the-art seed processing centre, we do not process our seeds only, but as well the seeds of other European companies. Seeds are produced on strictly supervised fields near the seed processing centre. It is dried in a modern dryer, then undergo primary processing, selection, grading and cleaning in order to be prepared for secondary processing and coating with the best protective materials and micronutrients. Approximately 250,000 units of our own hybrids are produced every year. In addition, we distribute seeds of some of the largest seed companies such as Sarton Union and Struber. Each production step, germination, purity, selection process is controlled in our certified seed laboratory. We care about the environment. We were the first to establish a special company for recycling used pesticide containers in our country. Each segment of such a sensitive production is controlled. Each solvent or agent that can be recycled is recycled, thanks to air and water filters installed in the factory. The water coming out of the factory is clean and can be used as technical water. The air coming out of the factory contains less pollutants than the air entering the factory. We are putting all our efforts to reduce the carbon footprint in accordance with EU regulations. We use bioenergy derived from corn seed production residues in order to heat warehouses and produce hot air and water in industrial procedures. When purchasing any equipment, from computers to the most expensive laboratory equipment and trucks, we take care of reducing energy consumption. In the end, the greatest strength of Chemical AGROSAVA lies in people that work for us, from Morocco through the European Union to Russia. People are the ones that make one company great. We directly employ almost 100 agricultural engineers and 10 doctors of science. People, morale and fair play, this is the only way to succeed in this business. We are the company that has received the BizNode's AAA certificate. Life is a delicate thing, and life is what we do. What can we do for you? Chemical AGROSAVA, life in safe hands.